Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Looking to power through your next DIY project or home renovation with ease? A high-quality cordless drill is an essential tool for every homeowner, hobbyist, or professional contractor. The best cordless drills combine power, portability, and long-lasting battery life to tackle everything from drilling into tough materials to assembling furniture with precision. In this curated list of the top 5 cordless drills, we highlight the most reliable, user-friendly, and highly rated options available, each designed to make your work faster, easier, and more efficient. Whether you're after compact versatility or heavy-duty performance, these drills deliver the perfect blend of value and power to help you get the job done right. If you want to buy any product, then click link in description. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill Driver Kit, CMCD 700C1, is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a powerful motor and 20-volt lithium-ion battery, it delivers reliable performance for a variety of tasks. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort and control during extended use. Perfect for drilling, driving, and everyday repairs around the house or job site. The included battery and charger make it ready to use right out of the box. Choose CRAFTSMAN for trusted quality and take your projects to the next level. Number 2. HOTO Cordless Brushless Drill. The HOTO Cordless Brushless Drill. 12 volts is a sleek, modern power tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Its advanced brushless motor delivers a robust 30 Newton-meters torque and speeds up to 1,400 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient performance for various tasks. The drill features a high-definition LED display screen, allowing users to monitor settings and battery status easily. With 30 precision torque settings and 2 working modes, drilling and screwing, it offers versatility for different applications. The built-in 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides long-lasting power, and the USB-C charging port ensures quick and convenient recharging. Its compact design and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use, even in tight spaces. Whether you're assembling furniture or tackling home repairs, this drill combines functionality with a minimalist aesthetic. Number 3. Milwaukee 280121 PM18 Lithium-Ion Compact Brushless Cordless Drill. Powered by Milwaukee's brushless motor, this drill delivers up to 500 inch-pounds of torque and speeds, ranging from 0 to 500 to 0 to 1,800 RPM, ensuring versatility across various applications. The RedLink intelligence system provides advanced overload protection, safeguarding both tool and battery, while the Red Lithium 2.0 amp-hour battery offers extended runtime and durability. Number 4. BOSCH PS 31-2 A12 V Max 3/8 inch drill. The BOSCH PS 31-2A12V Max 3/8 inch drill driver kit is a compact and lightweight tool designed for precision and ease of use in tight spaces. Weighing just 1.8 pounds and featuring a 7-inch head length, it's ideal for overhead tasks and confined areas. Despite its small size, it delivers a robust 265 pounds of torque and offers 2 speed settings, 0 to 350 RPM and 0 to 1,300 RPM for versatility in various applications. The 20+1 clutch settings allow for precise torquey adjustments, making it suitable for tasks like installing and electrical work. Number 5. Dewalt 20-Volt Max Cordless Drill. The Dewalt DCD771 C220-Volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit is a versatile and reliable tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Equipped with a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out UWO of power, it handles a wide range of drilling and fastening tasks with ease. Its compact and lightweight design ensures comfort during prolonged use and allows access to tight spaces. The kit includes two 20-volt max lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a durable carrying case, providing everything needed for immediate use. With a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, it offers strong bit-gripping strength, and the 2-speed transmission 0-450 and 0-1500 RPM enhances control and precision.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.